Did they just say Chicago?
I'm pretty sure we're on the wrong plane.
I'm trying to figure out
Let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright. Let's talk about love.
What's up, Slyfoxes? How you guys doing today? Today is the last day. Whoa, are you mocking me? Your sister is mocking me, dude. Who?
A crab.
Who's that? You caught a crab named Beluga?
Remember?
In Mexico?
Yeah, Mexico. Remember we actually brought him.
Cause yeah, we did. I mean, no, we didn't. No, we didn't. Yeah, we threw him out to the beach.
Did, so.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, but we did bring him and then he died.
Guys, we have a huge surprise and announcement, don't we? Do you know where we're going today? Where are we going, Jaden? Beep, beep. I'm just kidding. We can say on the count of 3. You guys ready? All right, if you guys want to hear where we're going to go, like this video. You have 3 seconds to do it. We're going to count down to 3. If you want to hear where we're going, 2, 1.
Okay, so today, I'm not sure if Andrew told you, today we are saying goodbye to Colby and Emily, and we are not going to Utah. We are going to somewhere and surprising some people. So we're having a change of plans. We are not headed home. We're heading on a surprise trip. Stay tuned. Okay, I shut the camera off because the kids were getting out of hand with these balloons right there. But surprise trip is happening. We're saying goodbye to Colby and Emily, and I can't wait for you guys to see where we're going. Leave in the comments where you think it is. Bye. I love you. You were fun. Guess where we're going? To the airport. Surprise! Are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. Keep watching if you guys want to know where we're going today and what the surprise is.
The secret death.
Mimi's birthday.
Mimi. I'm calling her again. That's what we did Truth or Dare.
Truth or Dare. If you haven't seen the video, we'll put in the iCard. It's right here. It's really funny. All right, she didn't answer. We'll call back later. We are almost to the airport. Kids are beyond excited to get there. Oh,
To go to beep.
clicking her ticket. We just got finished watching the Johnson fam baby announcement. Literally the cutest thing ever. And we're gonna weigh in on the gender of this. What do you think it's gonna be?
Boy, for sure.
Boy, I'm kind of thinking girl. What do you think, babe?
Well, I don't know. I don't think anything yet, but I'm hoping for a boy.
All right, so we're gonna link their video right here. It's the cutest thing. Go check it out. Tell them we sent you. Leave some Slyfox love in their comments. Yeah, I've actually never been around Ataya while she's been pregnant. Her pregnancies have been like when I was in Tennessee or Utah, so I've never been able to experience like baby showers with her. And like as a best friend, I'm just so excited to be able to do that with her. Oh, hey. Hi, look at that smile. If we want to get any
She
type
loves
of food, we
us.
should hurry.
All right, we got to go. I think that we should do a Hawaii trip. Do you guys want to? A Hawaii trip? Yeah. You guys in?
I've never been.
Never?
Okay.
You guys have never been to New York, and you've never been to Hawaii.
When does your dad come?
We are gonna make this happen, you guys. You gotta give like a buttload of likes on this video and on their video if you want to see us go to Hawaii and to all these other trip places that they have never been. All right, guys. It is goodbye for now. We will see you in a few days. All right, guys. You guys ready? Did you say bye to Kobe, Emily, and Sage? Yeah? Bye for now. So yeah, it is goodbye for now. And they are going back to Utah, and we are not. Leave in the comments down below if you're trying to guess where you think we might be going.
Caspian, you ate candy.
What?
We're gonna have to tell the ladies now. Anytime you actually do that, you're gonna have to be told on.
No, I didn't eat any.
Did you have 2? You better tell me. I'm gonna ask them and they're gonna watch it back. I'm gonna tell them to check their camera really quick, okay?
I'm not lying.
Did you eat any of the candy?
I'm telling you the truth.
Dad said you did.
I don't know. I thought he did.
Pinky promise.
Pinky promise.
You told us earlier that you tried 2 pieces.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
You didn't for sure? Yeah, I'm gonna ask him to check the video camera.
You guys really gonna do it?
Yes.
Yeah, right now. So you better tell me or they're gonna check.
I did not.
What?
When I was like 5.
When did you steal one of those? When you were Cass's age, you stole that gum? Really?
Yes.
Wow. What's up, dude?
When I bit Jaden's pinky when I was like 1 or 2.
You did? Whoa.
Can I have one of these?
I'm not sure how to do this, man. I think you need a quarter.
Yeah, do you have any?
Yeah, I don't have a quarter, but I think that's what you need. This place has like awesome candy, huh? Nice, Jay. A little dance move in here. Jaden, what is your favorite candy? Reese's Peanut Butter Cups? That looks good. Oh, you're gonna get a pet tarantula?
Yeah.
Dude. Wait, what'd you get?
Popcorn jelly bean.
Popcorn. Oh, I smelt them. I'm getting Mallow Cups, of course.
What's your favorite candy? Leave it in the comments below.
Chocolate covered popcorn.
I think we should be good because when I'm in the movie theater, I always eat my Bunch of Crunch chocolate candy and my
And you
popcorn
mix it?
together and mix it really good.
It's so good, right? Oh, did you load up some M&Ms over here? Wow. Are you sure you can just put it in that bag? Does it work like that?
Yeah, you mix it.
Dude, Caspian, did you just eat one of those?
No.
Okay.
Did they just say Chicago?
Chicago? No, we're heading to Salt Lake.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure they just said Chicago.
Nah, we're too far down the. We're too far down the tunnel.
It's to Chicago, right? It's to Chicago.
What?
She just said it's to Chicago. Jaden, this is a plane to Chicago. I'm pretty sure we're on the wrong plane. The lady just said we're going to Chicago. We're supposed to be going to Salt Lake. I don't know. This is the wrong flight?
Well, we're trying to figure out what's going on.
Where are we going?
Yeah, we asked the stewardess and she was like, yeah, this flight's to Chicago.
Jaden, they just said flight to Chicago. Cass,
I didn't think we were going to Chicago.
I thought we were
Why are we
going...
going to Chicago? I thought we were going somewhere else.
Caspian, are we on the wrong flight? What are you gonna do? Just roll with it?
Yeah, we could drive off.
Back
Just
where?
drive back.
To the airport.
Let's drive back to the airport.
Oh my gosh, wrong flight.
Well, let's drive back to the airport. Wrong flight. Kids are fine.
Wrong
I'm
flight.
freaking
I
out
don't
over
even
here.
know.
Well, let's ask the stewardess when she gets back there.
Okay, when she comes back, see what she
If
says.
this is a flight to Salt Lake.
Okay, so plane was delayed 2 hours, so I'm not sure we're gonna make it to our destination, so stay tuned. Keep watching.
A little hint.
Okay, so stay tuned. Keep leaving in the comments where you think we are. I'm not sure we're gonna make it tonight, so you'll have to watch tomorrow as well. We're gonna see how far we get. We can't wait to show you guys the results, but literally it felt like we were on the wrong plane the whole time. We had other tickets, we rebooked them, and then we were like, oh my gosh, where are we? So stay tuned, keep watching. What'd you see?
About 500,000 dogs are killed in America's shelters every year. By 2025, they should have them all gone.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
Because you're for no kill shelters?
Yes, I love dogs.
That's good. Save them all. Adopt a pet in need.
All right, so our new location, we're currently waiting to go to our rental car is here. I'm gonna give it a hint. Ready, Jaden? It's super windy. This is what happens when the kids have been on an airplane. And they're really excited for where we're going next, and we can't tell them yet. You can't tell them
Wait and watch your vlogs and go see.
where we end up.
Yep.
So as we're getting closer, I'm starting to feel pretty emotional. I think it's gonna be emotional for everyone. We're really excited. I'm not sure we're gonna be able to get to where we're going tonight. Regardless, you guys need to keep watching or keep guessing where you think we're going. Leave in the comments, and also, like we said yesterday, leave your birthdays in there because we're gonna pick a couple of people to shout out for your birthday.
I'm so excited to show you guys where we're going.
All right, on our way to our destination. Again, I'm not telling you where we're going because I want you to keep watching. But the weather is not in our favor right now. It's super rainy, kind of crazy. Pray for us on our travels. We're gonna grab some food, and then we've got kind of a long drive ahead of us. Everybody buckled? All right, guys, guess the city right there. It's a little bit of a hinter for you guys. Guess the city. A better shot of where we're at, guys. I'm trying to make sure there's no signs. Take a guess of where we are at. Leave in the comments where you think we're going. Update, we're currently about 2 hours from our destination. I'm not sure we're actually gonna make it there tonight, which is like a big bummer. But we're gonna keep driving. The weather's still pretty crazy and windy where we are. And I also have something to say. She literally made a career just from this song. Do you guys know what this album is from? Like, this is the song of Christmas. Leave
staple
in the comments if you know what song this is.
Later.
12:39. We are just rolling into our destination. We're probably about 20 minutes out. We don't want to tell you guys.
We're gonna tell at the very end.
We want to show you, not tell. So since we don't get to go where we're going because it got way too late, you're gonna have to stay tuned for tomorrow, and we will finally show you guys where we are. But I think we should wrap this up because
it is 1 o'clock in the morning. Almost.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Jaden is still awake.
Cass is asleep. Jaden is literally chatty Cathy. I'm sitting here going, oh my gosh. And she's like,
awake.
oh my gosh, mom, hi, good morning, and blah, 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 and mom, and then mom. She's just on hyperdrive.
Did I vlog it all today?
I don't know if he vlogged it all.
Let me say hi real quick. Hi guys, love you. I was gonna ask everybody, I know this is really late in the video, so props and shout out to everybody who watched it this late. Do you guys prefer longer or shorter, hang on a second. Longer or shorter videos from us? Like 10 minute, 8 minute, or like longer than 10 minute videos, 14 minutes, 15 minutes?
Alright guys.
Leave the comments down below.
I prefer shorter videos.
Me too.
Because usually I just stay on for like 5 minutes and I leave. And I watch another one, then I come back to the one I was watching and then I watch the rest.
And there you have it. So we will catch you guys tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Be kind. Make sure to watch tomorrow because it's gonna be crazy. I love you. Bye.
Bye.